Hey y'all, it's Carmen and I'm back again and we are entry number 24. I think all the numbers are starting to run into my head now. This is also a prize winning. I believe this is an entry. I know it's a prize winning. This is from Jenny Marie, and I believe she's with I'm so bad with names. Artistic Pours and More. I had won one of her giveaways, and I was so excited because, so I'm going to share that first. And I felt around, so this one's soft, so I kind of was trying to be careful, but this has got more of a firm grip, so I figured this is the prize. So I wanted to share that with y'all. Let me move this out of the way, because this thing, I can't wait to see it in person because I love it when she shared it. And it was in the perfect colors for my room, y'all. Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh. Oh, that is amazing. Can y'all see that? Give me a second. I'm going to see if I can get... She's got that stuffed so everything would be okay. She's written on the back. I was correct. Yeah. Artistic Pours and More. I was pretty sure I was right, but, you know, you always hate to be wrong. I love that she signed it. And wow, at the detail. It's so pretty. It does have blue in it, but all the blacks and reds and silvers and whites. I mean, I love this. I've always wanted to try it. I just haven't had enough guts. I've looked up some videos, and I love how all these, what do you call them, little cells pop up. And I know you have to have special stuff to make that happen. But I was so excited that I won this one because I think this will look so good in my craft room. What do y'all think? It's got the reds, the blacks, the whites, the silvers. And yeah, it's got blue too, but that's okay because a little extra color here and there will not hurt anything. And of course, I love the blue, like the bluish turquoise color. Am I getting it all for y'all, or is there too much light? Because it is reflective and shiny. So I'm trying to see where the best light, where you can get the best view. It's usually when I tilt it. But thank you. Thank you so much. And I'm so grateful I was able to win your challenge, especially this one. She makes some great stuff, y'all. And it just amazes me. Okay, let's look at the card real quick. It says, thank you so much. Dear Carmen, thank you so very much for your support. I hope you like the painting. I love it. Looking forward to getting to know you a little better. God bless, Jenny Marie. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much. Okay, now I believe she did say she was sending a pocket letter. So, let's see. I believe it was her. It is a pocket letter. I believe it was her who said she was going to send a pocket letter. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, there's something else. Okay. Let me take a look because I want to make sure I'm not missing it. But are you... Is there something... I don't see a memory deck. So is this your challenge entry? I love these little tags. Maybe that's your little note. We'll look through these pockets and see. I have this paper and I love it. Not this one. If I have that one, I don't know that I do. And I love that one. And she has put all kinds of goodies. Yeah, I have that paper. I love all this. Thank you, sweetheart. I just love these tags. I gotta find me some like that. And then my second pocket letter, I believe. Second? Third. Second. Third. I can't remember. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've got someone trying to call in. I apologize if y'all can hear that. It sounds silent to me, but... Okay. She's got these fall. It's hard for me to see. Little sequins. And then she's got this cute little foam sticker turkey. I haven't seen anything like that. That is so cute. And then she's put some leaves. I love how you did the fall and the winter theme mix. You know what? I love that you included these leaves, because I only have a few left out of my pack. So that gives me some more. And I don't have anything like this either, so that's super cute. Thank you for that. Put these up here. I love fall colors, y'all. I just absolutely love them. And then she's gifted me some little clips that she has made. And look at those. Snowman, snowflake, and a Christmas tree. Those are so adorable. Aren't they cute? And they're double-sided. I love that. Oh my goodness. And then she's got me some Christmas pom-poms. Yay! I love pom-poms. They're just so fun. And then I'm loving this little camper. Oh my goodness. Come here, you little thing. That's the bad thing of when you're trying to do this on camera, when everything wants to get stuck. Okay. So, let me see why this one's getting stuck. Oh, I see what it is. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all. But I want to show this off. That is so cute. Oh, it's a little card. I love that. And she left it blank so that I can use it. Look at that little stinking camper. How cute is that? I love it. I love the campers, the trucks, the little buses. I love all that stuff. And then these looks like some pretty sparklies. Oh, I apologize, y'all. I'm trying not to edit if I don't have to. We've got a gorgeous, like, oh gosh, what do you call that? Like holographic kind of wreath and a silver tree. And I believe these are all stickers. Little tree. And the pretty red present. I love the colors of these. And then the holly and a little red circle I can use for multiple things. And another cute little wreath. Thank you, sweetheart. I love them. Of course, y'all know. I ain't even going to say it because y'all probably sick of hearing me say it. I love sparkle. Oh, my goodness. And some gorgeous bling. She's filled these pockets full, y'all. Oh, and a little snowflake. I don't have any of these. I know I've been seeing them at Dollar Tree, but I haven't picked any up. So, that'll be cute on a project. And, of course, definitely the snow bling. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. And I still haven't picked up any bells either. I keep telling myself I'm going to. And then the next time I don't. And then I get mad at myself because they're usually sold out. But I'm hoping I have a little time to still find some. But I don't know. The jumbo confetti went fast at Walmart. So who knows. Tingle, tingle, tingle. Now that's the sound of Christmas. Isn't that awesome? Uh-oh. And I just dropped one off. I'm going to pause, y'all. Hold on. Let me pick it up. Okay, well, I don't think the pausing worked so well. But I almost lost my little turkey down there. Had to get him. And like I said, she got the bells. And this is the pocket and all the gorgeous paper she used on the front side. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I love these cars and the trucks. And I love the Santa. It's so pretty. Thank you, honey. And then see, she even filled on both sides. My goodness, and all the goodies. And I've got some pre-made rosettes. How awesome is that? And she's done it in the leaf. Oh my goodness, girl. Oh, and she's got me some more leaves in here. That's awesome. Like I said, I just about used all mine. So I can still have a few more. And then, like I said, I didn't get any of these, so I love them. Thank you. And I think I've about set most of my little clip leaves too. So, yay. I'm getting stockpiled right back up. I love it. And then another cute rosette. Oh, that's so cute. It looks like it's pumpkins or something in there, but it's black and orange. Can y'all see that? That's so cute. I love it. I know y'all gonna keep hearing that. Oh, I really like this one. Oh, and these middle ones you have to reach underneath. Little candy canes. How adorable. Thank you. Now I can look at it and see how I'm supposed to do them right. You know, it's all, like I said, it's always different when you get it in person than when you see it on the screen. You can study it a lot better. And then I've got a couple of these bows that I also have not picked up. So thank you for those as well. I love it. And then we've got this little birdie card. And I'm hoping this has her information in it, so I can learn a little bit more. No, she left that one blank. But it is so cute. I think I know who might need this. I think I might have to send Twerp Twerp a little gift. Y'all should know who Twerp Twerp is. Most of y'all probably do. But that is so cute. And sweetheart, so far I'm not finding a Memorydex card or any information. If you are wanting to join my channel, then please let me know so I can make sure I get all your information. Was this, you know, Happy Mail, or was this an entry? I was requesting a Memorydex and something that you had made of your own, whatever choice you wanted. And yummy candy canes. I love candy canes. Got me a little sweet treat here and there. But just let me know. You may have told me and I forgot, and I apologize if I do. And oh wow. Can y'all see all that? Y'all know I don't have a lot of washi, so I love it. It's gorgeous. Thank you. I don't know where you find this metallic stuff, but... And these are adorable. But I apologize. Let me show these real quick, and then I'll finish saying what I'm going to say. Look. The little Santa hats. I love Santa. I love Santa hats, Santa belts. The whole red, white, and the black. And, of course, you can't go wrong with a beautiful Christmas tree. And these little foam pieces, felt pieces. I love them. Thank you. Girl, you have so blessed me. But do me a favor. Can you contact me and let me know, just to make sure I know what's going on and that I can get your information. If you want to be entered into the challenge, I need a Memorydex card, or at least a card with your information on it. But, just let me know, and we'll talk, you know, privately about that. And then she also, maybe, let's see, maybe it's in here. It doesn't look like it, but she has also included some of these, and I love them. Look how stinking cute these are. Oh my goodness. These would be great on like a little flip tag, which I was thinking about making for a challenge. How stinking pretty. That one's gorgeous and that one's just adorable. Thank you so much. Okay. And she's even put, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She has put some die cuts. Girl, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love die cuts. And look at those. She's got them in blue and white, like a pearlescent white. These are so dainty. And then she's got these gorgeous trees that's like a silvery white pearlescent type again. And then she's got the green. Thank you. And then she's got, oh my goodness. My hands, I was outside, y'all, and it is. Oh, this is a pieced snow one. Look at that. That is so cool. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Can't go wrong there ever. And you can't ever go wrong with a pocket letter. You get some of the cutest little embellishments. And I just love them. I'm going to keep mine and I'm going to put them in a binder as, you know, people decide to gift them to me. But thank you so much, sweetheart. We're going to touch base so we can talk. And again, y'all see all the goodies she sent me. She's got the card and all the little pockets. And then you saw the papers. Did I show the back? She's got all the words on there and all the words on here and then on the cute candy canes. That is just so precious. And like I said, I love that you had included the fall and the Christmas. So it's kind of right up there. We're planning for Christmas and we're still in the fall. So I love that idea. Thank you so much. I mean, I just really can't say it enough to each and every one of y'all. And then again, another sneak peek at this gorgeous piece. I love it. I'm going to study this a little bit. I just love it. I've talked to you about wanting to, you know, you've given me some pointers and stuff. And I've talked to you about wanting to start it. I just haven't gotten enough guts up yet. Maybe one day, you know, it's always one of those things that so many things you always want to try. And, you know, you just keep putting it off and putting it off. But maybe once things slow down, I just might. It's so cool. So cool. But thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you and your support. Thank you all. Y'all know her channel is going to be linked in the description box below. If you do not know her or you have not checked her out, check out her channel. She does some awesome painting. She does some really neat different tricks and stuff. It's just really cool. So y'all be sure to check her out, give her that crafty love, and as always, I wish you all the best.